What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. When I saw this updo on the internet, I wish I could remember where I saw it. I had to come in and show you guys how to do it. So in the spirit of updo season, let's get into this super simple and super cute updo that I like to call the flower petal bun. Okay, Loc Nation, so it is updo season, so you guys already know what time it is. Today we're going to be doing a very simple but cute updo. Start off with all of your hair pulled up into a ponytail, okay? Just one simple ponytail. And once you get your hair into a ponytail, we're going to go ahead and get into these lock petals. But before we do, before we get started with the lock petals, what we're going to do is grab a lock, particularly a long one, okay, from the front, all right? And we're just going to go ahead and get that out of the way because this is the only lock that will not be in lock petals. So we're going to take that one lock, and I'm just going to put a clip here and just leave it there out of the way. Once we get our one lock out of the way, we can go ahead and get started with our lock petals. For those who don't know how to do lock petals, I will leave a video right here at the top of the screen how to do lock petals, okay? Lock petals are very simple, yet very cute, okay? They're also repetitive, so I will not be doing a tutorial at this moment how to do lock petals. Pause this video and check out my video how to do lock petals before you get into this style. And yeah, let's get into these lock petals.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Bad man, I put you in a photo.
Go ahead and mention here that I know you guys can see that I am using two locks to do lock petals here. What I want to mention is in my lock styling technique tutorial how to do lock petals, I do show you the technique on how to do lock petals using one lock petal. However, I want to take a moment to mention here that you actually can use more than one lock petal when doing lock petals, all right? Just stick to the exact same technique, and always remember, do not wrap the rubber band at the base of your lock petal really tight, okay? Do not make the rubber band tight. That'll make it hard for you to adjust your lock petal once you've completed the lock petal, okay? So we're just going to continue.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's Buddy, baby, oh. Buddy, baby, oh. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance. And make you move, move. Make you dance, dance. And make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong, gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gong, gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, fellas, so
all of the lock petals on the ponytail, and the next step is to work with this one lock that we left out. So we're going to create a swirl just like so. I'm just going to hold that in between my fingers just to kind of keep the form, just like so. And I'm just going to twirl, swirl just like you would a pin curl, creating a swirl. Just like so. And we're going to put that swirl right there, right in front of that ponytail, okay? I'm going to take a hairpin and I'm going to secure this here. Okay, just like so. And I'm going to add another pin. I'm probably going to add 2 more pins. I'm going to add one directly in the middle here. Just going to add another pin. With a swirl right in the front, kind of makes it look like a flower, which I think is really cute for the summertime. Great if you have a daughter or something that you want to wear yourself. And just to turn this up a notch, I'm going to see if I can go ahead and add a right in the middle, just like so. And you can wear it with a jewel or without one.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, yeah. Body nice. See I got them, them are moving right.